Automation is not a new phenomenon, and examples abound throughout history. The printing press replaced handwritten text. The sewing machine replaced hand sewing. Emails have superseded more primitive modes of communication like the telegraph or snail mail. The internet has all but replaced encyclopedias with automated crawlers and search engines, and the factory has continued to evolve in the level of automation and sophistication used. But automation is far from reaching the end of its benefits. In fact, over the next half-decade, automation has the potential for huge impacts financially and for the workforce at large. McKinsey estimates that nearly half the activities that people perform at work have the potential to be automated by the end of the next decade. And in just the next few years, one type of automation, called robotic process automation, stands to grow into a multi-billion-dollar industry where the usage of RPA tools will nearly double. But not all roles and industries will be impacted the same by automation. As an example, jobs involving repetitive physical tasks in food service or manufacturing will almost certainly be impacted, while roles involving critical thinking and human interaction in schools, businesses, and in people management will be less impacted by the growing role of automation. So what types of automation exist? Automation falls into two primary categories: industrial automation and software automation. As it sounds, industrial automation is used to control and manage a physical or industrial process. Using software and robotics, high-volume repetitive tasks can be automated, and so can lower-volume, more flexible industrial processes. The typical goals of industrial automation are to increase productivity, optimize manufacturing or processing costs, improve the quality of products, and improve overall safety. Software automation is applying automation to the repetitive tasks that humans normally perform. It stretches across a continuum and has been evolving over decades. Starting with business process automation, software is used to automate and digitize the execution of business processes. For example, using a customer relationship management system to help manage and automate sales and customer interactions, or using an ERP to manage a business's general ledger. Robotic process automation is an area of software automation that has picked up recently and promises to deliver significant improvements in the velocity, cost, and accuracy of repetitive tasks that humans perform in software systems. The leading edge of software automation is intelligent process automation, where artificial intelligence and machine learning are applied to automate more complex, logic-based software activities. The goals of software automation are cost reduction, improved quality, increased speed, better compliance, reduced risk, and overall improved scalability. To go a little deeper into robotic process automation, let's look at its name. You have something robotic, in this case, a software system, that is performing a sequence of steps or activities within an application, a process, and doing so automatically without any human intervention. Think of it like a larger scale version of recording a macro in Excel to repeat a formatting activity to a spreadsheet. RPA is a hot topic right now for several reasons. Human behavior can be taught to the RPA bot, where the bot will repeat the system activity and can be given a dynamic input for the next iteration of the task. RPA tools don't integrate with the underlying software but sit on top of it. The bot is effectively performing the system task that the human would have performed. These solutions are more easily developed because they don't integrate with the underlying software, and so the outcome is a low implementation cost that yields a high return on investment. In fact, Gartner estimates that the cost to perform activities using an RPA bot are 20% of the cost of using an onshore human resource, and a third as much as employing an offshore resource. This strong ROI is one of the biggest reasons for RPA being a major focus for businesses today and over the next several years. If you would like to learn more about RPA and how automation can help your business, visit smartbridge.com/automation.